Hey, if you are wondering if the Apple Watch charger works on AirPods, let's find out. First of all, take a look. It is working. There we go. It's charging my Apple Watch. So now let's find out on the AirPods. We don't have this indicator, so what does it mean? That it's not charging them. Let's do this also for other device, like here we got the Samsung. Okay, and it actually start charging. What the hell? It's actually working. Take a look. Wow, I cannot believe this. I was thinking that it's some kind of the scam. I was like watching some videos and I was like, no way, it's gonna work. But it does. But not like that. Wait a minute. Maybe I have to put it in a different position. But as you can see, like it was actually it just lights up for a few seconds. Okay, now it's not working. So I'm not sure. I mean, you can keep trying, but no, it's not working on the AirPods. Maybe I have to hold it. No, let's try again with the Samsung earbuds. Okay, so I'm not sure what it was, like maybe some kind of the bug, but as you can see, it's like not working. So maybe like after like 100 or 200 tries, you will start charging them, but it's like not worth to waste your time, I believe. Just simply be sure that you bring your cable together and everything will be fine. So yeah, this is the quick information for you. Thanks for watching.